Give you a little smooch while you go out. I look like Ron. Not gonna do that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Nope. 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 Not my fault. What? I'm coming. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Bitch, what are you doing? Great. It's Ron from accounting. I love you. Damn it, bitch. I said let go. Oh. You're so beautiful, sir. You're so pretty. It's okay. Everyone has its natural beauty. Stop looking at me like that. Can I tase this guy? I really want to. Shoot, sure, I've not done that. No service, sir. Whoa! Didn't know the visitor badge was green. Maybe it's all you came here for was a fever? There's people. Kim, there's people that are dying. Legitimate. Jesus Christ. I freaking hate this dude.
Told me that I was ugly and fat and that I was a bitch.
So I didn't get this on camera, but I was coming back to a patient's room, and like they just jumped out of the freaking room and attacked me, bro. It scared me.